Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily change LUTs on your ELGATO Facecam Pro. So first, what you guys need to do is go to Effects. Now here, go to LUTs, and as you guys can see, now you can turn them off. As you guys can see, it works because the colors are changing. And you can also add your own. You can add the pre-installed marketplace downloads, or basically go to ELGATO Marketplace and add it here. Now you can also set the sensitivity here. As you guys can see, it works on every single LUT. So that's pretty cool. And that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.